Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane the Heart, and I'm back to share a project with you guys. Now, I actually was going to make this project with you on camera, but discovered that I actually had not pressed play, or press record. So I'm going to show you exactly what I used, and I'll explain to you guys how to make it super, super easy. It's probably one of the easier kind of dies to work with. I am making these lip balm little holders, I guess. I don't know. Little treats, like little gifts. Excuse me. And I'm using this die from My Favorite Things. Now, the die, I don't think it's very much. It's called the lip balm die. And you get two dies. So you get this part, which will cut a center for you. Like if you needed just to cut a center, you could use this die. This die cuts the whole, as well as a little middle piece, as well as the piece that goes on the outside. So it's pretty easy. The other thing that we use is this lip balm, what is it called? It's a lip balm shaker pouch, right? And the lip balm just fits perfectly in there. And then you'll need some sort of a base. So for my base, I use this Mama Elephant bookmark die. Now you can use a tag die, you can use, rectangle, a square. I mean, whatever you want that's tall enough and wide enough to fit your lip balm. I mean, really, that's all you need. So the way that I did it is I cut two pieces of base. So I have, I would use definitely one of your pieces should be pretty strong cardstock. So this is White, Solar White, 100 and whatever it is, 20 pound, 50 pound. It's very thick cardstock. So I cut one of that and one of my designer paper. Out of the designer paper, I used this die right here. This die right here. And all I did was glue my cut piece first. And then I cut the little centerpiece that cut out. I cut that. I put that down. I put my lip balm in the shaker pouch and glued that down, and then put the little piece that got cut over that and just kept everything together. Then I just put some ribbon at the top. These ones you can see, I haven't done ribbon to these yet, but I decorated them with just little stickers. And the back, I used a Happy Valentine's Day sticker. So I mean, if you're looking for treats that are not candy, or, I mean, this could be decorated for, any occasion. They'd be cute for birthday parties too, I'm thinking. But I was looking for something to do that was not candy, kind of like the face masks. I wanted something that wasn't candy, but it could still be dressed up as a Valentine's Day type of thing. So I really like it. I think it's very, very cute. I think it's really fun. I've been wanting these dies for a while. I had gotten a $10 coupon from My Favorite Things and decided to go ahead and use it. The only beef that I have with My Favorite Things, I mean, the shipping was pretty outrageous just for these two little items. But, and I'm sure it's just set to a default shipping. So no matter how much you buy, you're going to pay that shipping. So that's kind of, maybe I should have bought more, but I didn't really want anything. But it came in a giant box. A huge box for this stuff right here, which could have come in a tiny little envelope, and it would have cost them, $2.50 to ship it, $3 at the most to ship. Instead, they used a big box that, I'll try to find a use for. But anyway, that was my only beef. Otherwise, really cute, really, really easy. You probably could design your own if you wanted to, because it's not that hard. You probably could design your own opening and things like that to do this. But I do like the convenience of it. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy of Crane the Heart.